Hello, and welcome to one of the most exciting projects we've ever done. Not to you and not to me, but to Caretaker Chelsea, because she's been wanting a closet. Okay, wait, let me rewind. Building a closet out of a shower. Is this boring? That's all I got. How do you turn a closet into a shower? No, a shower into a closet. I was thinking 2 pieces of plywood. We don't really have any tools other than like woodworking tools and my dad's tools. Last time we used woodworking tools, though, we got yelled at by a lot of commenters. It's mostly my fault. Good news is that table saw burned, so we can't ever do that again. Except for that table saw out there. First things first, we should probably clear the closet out of stuff, and then we'll take some measurements. This seemed like the fastest way. I'll put these on top of the toilet. Here's a broken 3D printer. Oh, this motorhome's too small. We need to buy a bigger motorhome. What do we got? Oh, giant mountain of clothes. Why is there carpet next to a toilet? I mean, you know exactly what's gonna happen is there's pee all over the carpet. And now there's probably pee all over the clothes, but they're not my clothes. And hopefully she never watches this video. Okay, let's get a tape measure. I would like to thank Keith for this fantastic cat shirt. He sent it, I think, a couple months ago, but we said we weren't gonna show the fronts of the shirt. I'm starting to regret that though, because I really have a hard time keeping track of who sent what shirt. What is a closet? I was thinking 2 posts. I think I said plywood earlier, but I actually meant a 2x4 with feet, and then the feet go on the ground. I don't know. Dude, I haven't really done a great job planning this out in my head, but dude, you wanna see something gross? This is the condiment squirter, and that's mayonnaise that's been sitting in there for like a month and a half now. We should smell it. No, you know what? I don't want to smell that. I smelled something kind of sour. Nope, 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 nope. To the motorhome! Can you do that? No, wait, actually that's a bad idea. I started playing with this weird soap thing and I broke it. The shower measurements are 34 inches by... I don't really know anything about interior design or exterior design. Or design in general. Let's go find some wood. Let's go hunt for wood. While hunting for wood, we can tell you that I can't see. Am I looking at you? We can I don't think I slept enough last night. Let's do this like a National Geographic thing, like dun 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 dun. You're supposed to follow. I'm assuming this is all fair game. How big is does a closet thing need to be? What is a closet? And why are we building a closet? I think she just needs less clothes, but I get in more trouble building something that destroys the clothes than something that stores more clothes. Oh, we're hunting for wood. Dun, 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 dun. I think this is what we want. What do you think, cameraman? Does this look like nice wood? Oh yeah, right in the nuts. What is this video even? It's pretty simple if you think about it. We need to make a video, and we also need to make a closet, so why not combine both of them? Is that for me? Thank you. Actually, I pee right there. I probably shouldn't put that in my mouth. I'm not joking either. I was thinking, what if you have 2 pieces of wood that, well, we don't really have to show this because Cameraman John's gonna make some cool blueprint animation, right? My plan was 2 pieces of wood going vertically and then a bar going between them. Is there a name for that? The hangy thing? The pole? Normally you just sort of think of the closet as a whole until you actually go to build a closet and have to break it into its individual... Dude, why can't I spit words out of my mouth? Individual components. We just do a montage. Big old sweet montage. So the cool fact about sawdust is it gets everywhere. And that's where my knowledge of sawdust ends. Oh, we're the ones being loud. I think this cat might be really stupid. What are we doing? Making a closet. How did we get down here? That's not how you pet cats. That's just weird. Aren't you glad I was here to stop him from petting that? No, not you. I was talking to the audience. I remember what we came down for. I need a drill. I don't know, man. What am I doing with my life? What happens after you die? Where do squirrels sleep at night? Where do squirrels sleep at night? Like tree squirrels. Like ground squirrels, they sleep in the ground. But like a tree squirrel, they just like sleep on a tree? Do they like eat holes into the tree? Huh. I came up with a fantastic idea. What if we like support the pieces that we cut for the closet? But I don't know how to change this angle thing, because last time people got mad at freehanding on a table saw. But this thing won't go at like angles, and it looks like you might be able to make it go more, but it's all rusted shut. Then I realized there's this thing, but it looks even more scary than the table saw. We should use it. Oh, come on! Oh, my safety hat, thank you. Oh no, I just dropped my safety ears on the ground. Does this hat really make things safer? All right, I trust you. All right, let's figure out how this thing works while just using it for the first time. Dude! This thing sounds like it could cut your like face in half. I really don't want to go to the hospital. And this safety hat is just getting in the way. You wear it. You probably look better in it anyways. Are you supposed to push in or pull out? Here's the manual. Getting the most from your saw. Wait, why did it pull forward? Are you supposed to push it into the cut? Is there an arrow or something that tells us which way to go? Or do we just have to figure it out when we lose our fingers the first time? Strong incentive to not get another saw. Because once you lose one set of fingers, you at least know how to use it. Whatever. I think this thing's horrifying and we're just gonna have to deal with it. Do you start with it? I'm so confused.
Finally, something that you can do with the radial arm saw that I tend not to do is that you can actually use it to do a rip cut.
I still have no idea what I'm doing. Am I gonna die? That felt safer. Did it look safer? We always try to find a point between it being good but not taking too long and somehow end up with the worst of both, where it's bad and takes a long time, and it like happens every single time. We just redrove that in, even though we'd already driven it in. That way we could make it look like this piece was finished, which it is. It looks a lot better than I thought it would for costing $0. Well, at least not my dollars. Thanks, Dad. Wow, this looks really janky. High quality. I have no professional training. How do we make it not do this? What if we put a piece like here? Yeah, that's happening. I think we found our new genre. We're a woodworking channel now. How much do you think you could sell this for in a store? Not up and down if it's more than $1,000. I'm pretty sure he's waving up and down. Dang it! How do I get this stupid thing in the shower? Oh man. It fits, I just can't put it in. It's not good. Riveting content. Your closet's done, and I'm in it. It's a joke. It keeps on giving.
I can't see it.
I can't get out.
This is a real closet.
How would you have felt if you paid money for it?
I mean...
Depends on how much money?
Yeah.
$200.
No. So this, honey, don't you remember?
All right, no one cares about this.
No, I know, but let me show you.
Enjoy putting your closet together while we... How long is this video? I have no idea. Let's open some boxes.
No, because look at this.
Fan mail. Hello, and welcome to Toilet Unboxing. Pop ramen. Did someone make this? Alicia, I'm sorry that your house burned down. I like to watch your YouTube videos. I don't have any sciencey engineering stuff to send you, so instead I send you this cat that I crocheted. That is adorable. I seriously couldn't tell if this was bought, but it looks like just handmade enough, and the fact that there's no tag on it. This is really good.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
Thank you, Alicia. He's gonna go right here for emergency situations when I run out of toilet paper. I like this a lot. Oh, double box. Joe, what is that last name? Krumka. I think we're just gonna show the shirts now because I can't keep track. Oh, is this gonna be short on me? Oh, it's cut. I feel like Joe has ulterior motives. Well, you're gonna get your wish if that's actually what you're wishing for. Thank you, Joe. It's the thought that counts, and I'm not really sure what you were thinking. There's a letter. I had to cut off the bottom of it for a project that I'm making. I hope you don't mind. He's got a YouTube channel. Well, thank you for the new sexy shirt. Next box is directly from Amazon. There's no note in it, so I don't know who sent this. Dun, 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 dun. It's a squid cat. I like it. Thank you, whoever sent this. This will get worn. Maybe more than this one. This one is a little too sexy. I think I know what this is. Okay. It's the same hot glue gun. I saw your DIY hot glue gun video that obviously didn't work, and the old one I sent burned down. I figured you could use a new one from Alex Farmer. Alex has now sent me 2 hot glue guns. I really, really, really appreciate that. I wish we would have opened this before putting that together, then we wouldn't have had to use screws. Ooh, mysterious China package. I love these. They're always a nice surprise. Some weird Ziploc bag. Here you get a dabbing Mr. Bones. Hope you like it. Goran Gunderson. That's hilarious. That's a big box. I'll make this quick because my handwriting is atrocious, but because everyone is sending you Mr. Bones's, I thought I would send you Mr. Bones Barkley edition. Oh my god! He can unhinge his jaw! It's like a hat, the rib cage. Actually, no, that's a bad idea. That's a good idea. Nope, bad idea. Is this a bad idea? People are gonna think that we like got the dog meat removed and kept the skeleton. Thank you, George. And what if we put it on the dog bed down by the house? This is from Shirtless Cash. We make our apparel to order, but we end up with some stock from canceled orders, undelivered mail, and order changes. I threw in a few hats that are defects, but you can have some fun with them. Actually, we need a couple hats. Thank you, Shirtless Cash. Yes! I actually don't have a sweater anymore. I mean, now I do. This is pretty cool, right? I really like this sweater. All right, thank you everyone, and thank you guys. I really like opening boxes from everyone. Good doggy. And we forgot, there's a letter from David Poole, and he sent this amazing drawing of Olaf. This is too damn adorable. I am ecstatic. I wish this fridge was more magnetic. Oh yeah, Chelsea started adding. Yes. Okay, bye.